Let's break down stamped concrete, how decorative finishes work. Here's what you need to know. Quick answer. Stamped concrete is a decorative finishing technique applied to freshly set concrete using imprinted molds and integral color dyes. The process costs $8 to $15 per square foot, takes 4 to 6 hours to stamp, and lasts 25 to 30 years with resealing every 2 to 3 years. Stamped concrete transforms ordinary concrete driveways, patios, walkways, and pool decks into decorative surfaces that mimic natural stone, brick, or tile, without the cost or maintenance headaches. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company has completed hundreds of stamped concrete projects for homeowners throughout the Triangle, Lake Norman, and surrounding metros. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting you from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. Whether you're planning a stamped patio in Mooresville or a decorative driveway in Cary, understanding how the process works and what to expect is the first step to a lasting, beautiful finish. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in stamped concrete and decorative finishes for residential driveways, patios, pool decks, and walkways throughout the Triangle and surrounding metros. Stamped concrete typically costs between $8 and $15 per square foot, depending on pattern complexity, color additives, and local labor rates. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and the company funds all materials and labor up front. A typical 500-square-foot patio in stamped concrete runs $4,000 to $7,500 installed, with proper subgrade preparation and seal coat included. Moving on to how stamped concrete works. Stamped concrete is a decorative technique that imprints patterns into the surface of freshly set concrete before it fully cures. The process begins with standard concrete placement, a mix of Portland cement, aggregate, sand and gravel, water, and integral color dyes, poured into prepared forms. Once the concrete reaches a specific firmness, typically 2 to 4 hours after pouring, a release agent, a powder or liquid, is applied to the surface to prevent the stamp molds from sticking. Heavy rubber or polyurethane stamps, each representing a section of the desired pattern, are then positioned and struck with a rubber mallet using controlled, even pressure. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.